I heard they checking for me, no one checking on me, so I had to go run up a check. I got the message on me, ain't no flexing on me, my attorney gon' call and collect. Blessings on blessings for me, my successes only made them envious, they got upset. I had to put all their egos in check.
Welcome to another day in the life. We're gonna have Jason's birthday today. He's gonna be surprised. He doesn't know we got a cake for him and everything. We're about to go to a house in Prosper, Texas. And we got a lot of cool stuff going on. We're shutting down early. Stay tuned and follow me. Hey everybody, we're at another beautiful house in Prosper, Texas. We're doing our popular Dark Neutral 15. That film is by XPEL. It is a really nice film. It blocks about 75% of the infrared heat, 99% of the harmful UV rays. It is a little bit of a darker film, so it's gonna give you some privacy outside. Awesome glare reduction for that bright sun. In addition, it's gonna keep the furnishings from fading and keep the place looking awesome. As you can see here, these are done. It is a really gloomy day, so it's not as bright, but it still looks really nice. These are about to get done. And if it was sunny and you're here working in your office, you'd be burning up. The glare would be on your screens. You'd probably need to wear sunglasses. So this is a great solution for that. Guys, check it out. Called us and wanted us to do like a interview for the news at 5 p.m. on Channel 8.
Yeah. Was it over in Garland?
Yeah, I guess nearby. A lot of businesses have been broke into nearby.
Oh wow.
So I actually got to speak with the big camera and all that with the news anchor. But it didn't come out because it ended up at 5 p.m. having breaking news of another chase, so it didn't air. So I don't know if it's ever going to air or not, but I went through the whole process. And they were at Tritek, and we went through the shop and showed them some things that, you know, are valuable to us, and how heartbreaking it is that when you sacrifice your whole life and people break in and steal and things like that. So it is also horrifying to get the call at 3, 4 in the morning. You don't know what's going on. So I got to do all that, but it didn't air. They said they would let me know if it ends up airing.
Were you nervous?
Not at all.
No?
I was ready.
Yeah.
We'd been preparing for this for a long time, so.
This camera in your face all the time?
Yeah, I think someday I'll be on TV and in interviews and stuff like that, and podcasts, more podcasts, and so it's what we're preparing for. We practice every week. What is all of it? What are you doing?
I am applying our Fusion ceramic coating on this demo hood. We have an applicator pad, a sponge, dropper thingy. If you want to use that, I just dumped the bottle on the sponge.
You guys watching the World Cup?
Whoa.
It's been going on until December.
Me, I buffed it off.
Who you going
No, two different
I want Argentina to win, but I feel like Brazil's gonna come out. And every team in each group is trying to get points to qualify for the group stages or the knockout tournament part.
It's XPEL Fusion plus ceramic coating. It's for paint. You can put it on your car. and it's like a wax. With the 4-year warranty, you never have to wax your car. You can just boost it with ceramic booster every now and then to keep it safe and protected and fresh. Makes your car hydrophobic, makes it easier to clean. We are an XPEL Fusion dealer, and we even have XPEL PPF that has a Fusion top coat on it, and we do offer it here. If you ever want this, just give Tyler a call. He can put it on your vehicle today for $895 plus $1,000 compound and polish in full detail. Tyler, the expert.
Not only a hell no, but no.
Quack.
What's going on today?
It is our Tritek Thanksgiving Day, because we will be closed on Thanksgiving all the way up until Monday when we reopen again. And that's our first year to do this. I promised the guys last year that if we hit our goals and we had a good year, that we would do this. So we had to do it, and we've never done it before. So it does cost us a lot to close for half the week, but you know, we'll make it up next year when we hit our goals again. So we'll continue to add more stuff and finally get the guys to have a break, a little bit more time off paid, and I think they'll enjoy it. We had a Robert cook food today. We had a work family Thanksgiving, and it was really good.
Pretty damn good, I would say.
Rolando supplied the grill. Chewy brought the salsa. Kevin, what'd you bring? He brought the jack beef.
Breast-fed lobster.
Who else brought something?
Brought beaver nuggets.
From Buc-ee's?
From Buc-ee's.
He brought beaver nuggets. Have you ever had them?
No, what is that?
They're like Pops, only better.
Cereal?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
I supplied the energy drinks. This is my new go-to. So Ghost, if you're watching, send your boy some drinks for a day in the life every week.
What are you grateful for?
What am I grateful for? What's something that I use every day? To be honest, it's probably gonna be water. The fact that I can just go to that water back there and just pour it in my cup every day, or turn on the water and take a shower. Nice warm shower. That's probably what I would be grateful for. Put down in the comments what y'all are grateful for.
What are you grateful for, Rolando?
Like I was saying earlier, I'm grateful for everything I've achieved this year. I think I set some pretty high goals that I actually made happen. And, you know, just being alive, having my kids, having a good job, working for a great company, good people. I would say that's a lot.
What are you grateful for this year?
Grateful for my family. I am grateful for my family here at work. I mean, just glad, man. Just glad to be alive. Right there. Thanks, guys.
This year?
I'm grateful for life, for my family, for my health. Grateful to be alive. I mean, pretty much it.
Nice.
Yeah. Thank you, man. Thank you.
Robert, what are you grateful for this year?
Oh, I'm definitely grateful for my work and home families, like some others have said. Very grateful for the lives we're able to live here in this country, the freedoms we have, and just the freedom that we enjoy every day. Very grateful.
What are you thankful for, Tyler?
Family. My amazing, lovely, beautiful coworkers that are always so supportive of me. And what else? Mostly family. My girlfriend. And Anthony. Look at him. That's the first time he's ever been on a ladder before. Golly.
If I was this tall, I would dunk on you.
Hey, David, so what are you thankful for this year?
Yeah, I'm really thankful for all of our customers. Without our customers, we wouldn't be able to have our awesome team here. I'm super thankful for our employees and our team. I'm super thankful for my family, my kids, everybody's health, everybody's happiness, and obviously, you know, I want everyone in the world to be happy and healthy. And man, I'm thankful for everything. But at the end of the day, we don't thank our customers enough, and especially in this YouTube series. So I want to make sure you guys know we're thankful for you.
Kevin, ¿de qué tienes gracias este año?
Thanks to Dave, thanks to George, thanks to Jason, you.
What am I thankful for this year? A lot of things, actually. My kid, the opportunity to be here, for David, George, Kevin, Lupe, Jason, Robert, basically the whole team. And for you coming in too. It's kind of tight. It's tight.
Nice.
Thank you for doing our videos.
For this year, I'm thankful for a lot. I'm thankful for my family, all the help and support that they've been showing me for this move, just getting here. And my second family now, making this transition a lot easier, being coming up without my family, you know, being 400 miles away from them, I couldn't be at a happier spot coming to work. All these guys just being supportive and helping me. Love it. Thank you, Tritek family. Thank you to my family. Happy Thanksgiving.
Hey George, so what are you thankful for this year?
This year I'm thankful for a lot of things. I'm thankful for all my co-workers. They all teach me some things, whether it be install or communication skills, stuff like that. I'm thankful for my family at home and here. I'm thankful for my dog. I'm thankful for my health. Thankful just to wake up another day.
Hey Jason, so what are you thankful for this year?
This year, I got quite a bit to be thankful for. Thankful that I get to go home every day to my wife, my two awesome kids that are star football athletes in my mind. That they're great at what they do. They make good grades, so I'm very thankful that I don't have to push them the way that my mom had to push me to get them to do good in school. Thankful that I get to come actually to Tritek Tinting, grow our business, just our customers in general. Without our customers, none of us would be here, so very grateful that we have the customers that we have and the reputation that we have, and we're able to grow our business with retention. We have great retention, but also word of mouth, so we're getting new clients daily. So super grateful for that. The guys here, grateful that their skill level is what it is. That helps me as a manager manage this place a lot easier with their skill level and their talents. So there's a lot to be grateful for. There's a lot of people out there that are less fortunate than what we are. And you know, we have to look, sometimes we just have to step back and look and really think about what we are thankful for.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, dear Jason.
Happy birthday to you.
I don't have a speech. If y'all are waiting on a speech, I don't have a speech. But I will say, thank you guys so much for the birthday cake, singing to me. I know everybody gets it every year, but it is something I do look forward to. And here we are, and I do appreciate it. Thank you guys. It's another year, so here we go. It's to 25.
I'm not going to let you out because it's a Tritek tradition.
Oh,
Pretty good.
I like it. It's busting.
What is it?
Oreo cookies and cream ice cream cake, I think. I don't know.
That's what it is.
It is? Yeah.
That's good.
So last year this time we didn't get to close. We've never closed after Thanksgiving before because it's Black Friday and we're a retail store. We kind of talked about it last year and we set some goals, and we said that if we hit our goals, we'll do more like we always do, and we'll close for the holidays even though it's Black Friday. So we were able to do that. We worked real hard this year and we figured out a lot. So this is the first time, because some people don't know, that we've ever done this. It's actually a big deal because we've been in business 20, I've been here 20 years, so we've never done this. So it's a pretty big deal. And I just want to say, thank you guys for everything y'all do, because I know without all of y'all, it wouldn't be possible.
Thank you, Dave. Thank you.
Thought this was a fitting time to do this. Happy Thanksgiving. Enjoy your time with your families. Jason, enjoy your birthday since we won't see you.
Thank you.
Definitely appreciate everybody. Enjoy your time. Get some rest. Don't do anything too crazy. Happy Thanksgiving. Happy birthday. We'll see you guys on Monday. Let's keep doing better.
Thank you. Make sure y'all like, subscribe, ring the bell notification, and we'll see you next week.